Oh, that next battle is going to be teammates, Taxi Garage teammates.
Drift HQ, Taxi Garage, Autosports Engineering, Drift HQ and Autosports Engineering. Thanks, guys, for coming on board this year. You guys are killing it. Thank you so much, making all this happen.
Round one of US Drift Circuit starts now. We have secured a bye run in the top 16, so it made only sense that all the hard work from last season, the fourth place finisher, now carries over, even though we weren't going to do it at all. So now we have rented Adam's car again, the same one we did in round 4.
Then we got the one wheel, boys.
It's too hot. We're here.
We don't have fun around here, right, Richie?
Nope.
Yo, did you just join the military for the draft that's starting?
Dude.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is lightning about 1 to 2 miles away. Let's take some shelter.
Fill me in, what's going on?
So we got, 3 runs, third run came off, I went to get back in line, and then I looked down, looked at the gauge, and immediately looked up and saw it start to steam, and then Fuzero was like, yo, 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 and then I got stuck in the chute, because now I got a car behind me.
You just get stuck in
I
that
got
chute,
stuck, and I couldn't do anything, and now I pulled out on the track to get out of the way, but then now I'm gonna wet down the track. So then Booth's like, yo, you're gonna wet down the track, and I'm like, I gotta get out of here. So then I just I looked, and then I just drove, and obviously track officials should do their jobs at that point.
Yeah, yeah.
So I just spedly went across, so then now coolant didn't go all over the track.
A lot happening.
A lot happening. So the command for the fans is not working on the car. Basically, it overheated because the fans weren't working. We hardwired the relays by zip tying the relay on because everything else worked in the circuit. So the fans are now on. I just have to kill the kill switch. So we're gonna be fine.
Showman in the lead. Oh, no!
Oh, no.
And now we are going into our next battle.
We got Lewis Lons versus Hayden Williams. Hayden Williams is in the lead.
Paulette Davis, coming out of that chicane, was just absolutely a rocket coming into the first corner. Paulette Davis' car is pretty just dialed in.
Judges are ready. We're waiting for the lights. Here we go. And Kaufman in the lead. Coming in with a nice initiation with that FC. Trying to get a deep line where you keep it inside in the first out of zone. Going out. And then straight diving to try to touch that intercept. Beautiful positioning. And he gets himself to out of zone 2. And then drills out of zone 3. Going to out of zone 4. Now we have Ryan Kaufman now in the chase, and Daniel Pereira in the lead. Daniel Pereira with a shallow angle goes to that first out of zone, but Gonzalez diving to intercept one and snapping. Going out just a little bit, but my goodness, Ryan Kaufman is there. Door to door, all the way around, but then losing the proximity. And it looks like he got choked up just a tad, it looks like. Ryan Kaufman gets the win.
So it's rained. I've now buyed into top 8 without driving.
Ryan won his first
Skivvy
battle.
doesn't even mean skivvy. I'm still on this.
So the G35's headlights now don't work. So supposedly I don't need headlights, but supposedly I do need headlights. So we have a snap-on magnet light that I'm gonna stick on the roof, a lot like a 1950s cop light.
I won my battle. I tandem. I won. And now I'm in top 16, about to go against Duarte. I'm actually really excited to drive against him. He's been really aggressive and high on the bank, and that's what I'm here for.
Ryan Kaufman, here we go, in the lead. Duarte giving chase. Look at that initiation. Ryan Kaufman looking to get close to the wall, setting himself up to get pretty close. He stays in the outside zone. He could have been a little bit higher. Duarte mimicking him as they make him into the midsection of the course. Duarte transitioning and looking to stay in the pocket. Both of them getting around that clipping point without taking it out. And we see Kaufman getting up there again to the wall as they transition. Duarte doing a good job mirroring.
Duarte coming out here. See how aggressive he will be. Coming in with that initiation, going all the way to the wall. Showering up some angle, but then diving now up the zone. Trying to get into that inner cliff. Dirt drop a little bit, and then goes one, but trying to get down to two. Trying to keep that angle there, but all the way through to outer zone 4.
Ryan Kaufman gets the win representing Taxi Garage. He is moving on to the next round.
I better get to Battle GZ or I want my money back.
Oh, scandal.
Oh, that next battle is gonna be teammates, Taxi Garage teammates.
Let's see, Nick Ward's going to lead first. Ryan Kaufman's going to chase. The light has gone out. We're going to see Infinity leave the line. Ryan Kaufman looking to not let him get too much of a gap off the line. Smooth initiation into near the wall. Doing a good job getting proximity on the wall. Ryan Kaufman actually having a little bit of a struggle closing the gap. He's able to surge right here and pinch him in on the inside clip. And now he's just got to keep that proximity and make a little bit of contact. Oh my goodness, Ryan Kaufman, don't you know that's a rental? Making his way across that last zone.
Here's our Taxi Garage drivers. Ryan Kaufman going in with the FC, coming in with a nice initiation. He'll pull up the first outer zone, and now he's going to try to angle up on that outer zone. Here comes Nick Ward being as rambunctious as possible to keep that proximity, but my goodness, Ryan Kaufman is just going out his zone and having a lap as Nick Ward is falling. Nick Ward gets the win and moves on, knocks out his teammate Ryan Kaufman.
Who won? No, who won? Who won?
Jeezy takes the win. Yes. Jeezy takes the win. G35 is underestimated because it's fast as on the bank.
Well, it's interesting because the run-up is completely dry. So when you hit the run-up, full throttle, it actually grips. And then I underestimated that I needed to stay on his door from the beginning, but I still felt like had I done that, I would have hit him really early.
You were on his door around the
Well,
fucking...
I tapped him and pushed him up the bank because I knew once I got close to him, it was gonna be really tough for me to modulate like low speed and still keeping close. So I was like, I either have to downshift a second and leave a gap in the beginning, and then it bit me in the ass. You stayed with me on the in the run, and you did a great job in the follow.
It's so good.
And I let him gap me on out the hole. That was the biggest issue I had.